with a bouquet of flower and a wreath. So please give a big hand. Joton Yapa Group like that. And President of the Church, Sir Amelio Deverma. Sir Monish Deverma. Sir Sachindra Deverma. Also the President of the and also our school in charge, Sir Vikas Deverma. Sir Somendra Deverma. Please give a big hand. Yapa problem itu. Apa nak? Jom Yapa problem ini membantu penangguh. Orang Parker. Our Honorable Chief Guest, Reverend Father, School Managing Committee, teachers, my dear students, and all our guardians present here. Tungkaham, sini Reverend Father no, the School Managing Committee no, teachers, parents, the joto, zeros tinini, otong no. Hai manja phane rong no chot tono no sung chini school ni hoiteng goi chini St.Peter school ni hoiteng goi sung norong no khabai lamsobu sung siu chini ang bisito kok saya sung siu sinu students no tinini dino kurang ma activities by godalsa sung nugu tai Sentang menibagai porno kurang ma activities like gedalai poni ganggai semborong no sate poni jibono pat hinanggo future produktif kaham mengtung tebo kaham serumung tan ni hingga hangge poni tabuk no serumung jora so sung abuni bagainya semborong ma tebo support mak lainnya jahate produktif poni hinanggo pat future purpose kanggo agok mana tuh. Sung abo ni bagina sini nursery section school panang tuh. Sung porok no kurang ma activities by godali to ni mo. जों जेमन हाई स्कुल लगो जेबाबे सामख्लाय जागो अमति हेदिनो जों माने परमा जेकुनु एक्टिविटीज बाय गदालै दंगो जाहाथे पर तेबो स्कुल कोथर कथा काहके तेबो काहम स्कुल लगो थांगा के पर तेबो माने अमति हाई थाई बैलेंस खाय थां माने दै आमनि बागिनो जों अमति हाई परमा गोबां माने गेम्स हिंदी स्पोर्ट्स हिंदी जेकुनु एक्टिविटीज बाय जों परमा गदालै दंगो ताई आं बेले दंथगो दिनै जोंनि अनारेबल फादार फाइजा ताई स्कुल मैनेजिंग कमिटी बरक खाबाय जोंनि इनभाइटेशन न बरक लाम सुगुnya हरगा ताई जरानि बिसिङाव बरक फाइगा जों जोंनि स्कुलनि ओंगै जों बेलाय दंथगा ताई जोंनि गार्जेन रकना दिनै अजागाव नरक आसुबजा अबनो नुबैबा जों बेलायगे दंथगो ताई तेबो दंथगो जे नरक दिनैनि अदिनो जोंनो सापर्ट दिगो बिसास खायो ट्रास्ट खायो जोंनो जिनि उपरा ट्रास्ट खायो जाहाथे जिनि चेरेरक जों तेबो काहके पुरनो तलांमाना तुई नरक जोंनो बिलिभ खायो ट्रास्ट खायो जों आमनि बागै बेलाय जों दंथगो आं सकेनो आनि ककनो नारागन हामबाय जतन
School founders are Samendra Dev Burma, School President Sri Kirakanta Dev Burma, School in charge Sir Vikas Dev Burma, the Joto SMC member, the Church President Sir Amulya, the Rokotumla Joto Mafaro, Joto no Pungaham. They need to celebrate annual Parents' Day. Team Ruka, education is the source of life. Actually, chini kaitor ini source of life. Education cuma subanai kaitor no sai muni bagai. Kaitor ni bagai je cuma je seni mongna no, bocini education bagai ya sakna. NEP 2020 emphasizes about C vitamin. There are 4 C vitamins in education. That is, first is the communication. Communication, mane, we need to talk with the children, talk with the teachers, talk with the parents, talk with one another. If we do not talk, today's children cannot learn. You as a parent, if you send them to the school and if you do not talk to them, they cannot learn. Their education is not complete. There are many problems can arise in the life of a child. They may go through the worries and anxiety, tension. If you do not talk to them, you will not understand. Teachers are here to teach them alphabets. Teachers are there to help them understand, help them read and write. But parents are there to recharge them from behind, from family. You need to charge your child like a mobile charging every day and send them to the school. Then only they will learn. That is called communication. Today's scenario, if we look at, we parents we trust the children more than trust on the teachers and the people those who are teaching and guiding them. When a child make a mistake, we find fault with the teacher who is our guru. When a child tells us a lie, we find difficult to believe because we say, "Ansaina no anicharaina." But kunu samay mein they will not tell me lie. Dear parents, again we need to talk. So first vitamin is communication. Second vitamin is collaboration. Collaboration with all of us. We have SMC members. They need to collaborate with the school. They need to collaborate with different institutions. They need to collaborate with different officers. They need to collaborate with all parents and guardians. When we collaborate, our school foundation becomes strong. We have a common vision and common plan because we collaborate. School cannot be every time perfect. Parents cannot be every time perfect. All of us we make mistakes and all of us we fall. We need to get up, help one another and work friends. That is called collaboration. Understanding and working together. Third C vitamin, the third C is creativity. Creativity, we need to see the child that they are interested in. Some are good in writing poems, some are good in singing, some are good in drawing, some are good in playing. We need to teach them and encourage them according to their talent and their ability. Same thing we do not do every time. Same food we do not cook same way in every time. We try our best to make it different taste. These decorations that you have made this year, next year it will not be the same. We learn from the mistake and we improve. That is called creativity. Doing same thing differently. Doing same thing differently. For example, mathematics. We were taught the formulas 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. But today's children, if you ask them, they will say 1 and 1 is 11. 2 and 2 is 22. There are shortcut formulas are there. Same mathematics, same digit, same number. Yet, way of doing, solving is different. That is called creativity. Third is, I said communication, collaboration, creativity and critical thinking. Third is the critical thinking. To think out of the box. Think differently. Tell your child what they are interested in. What do you want to become? Take them to a place and show them this is what you can become. If they are good in their talent, you can always help them, support them. That is called their critical thinking. Thinking differently. Seeing a child playing in the mud. You parents, teachers need to think, why this child likes to play in the mud? For us we think playing in the mud is becoming dirty. No, the child has its relationship with the mud, with the Mother Earth, can become a good social worker. They are designed for us. Some children, they like to draw in their notebooks. They simply make dirty of the notebooks. They cut it here and there, and we see that they are destroying their exercise book. They are spoiling the pages. But children has an enthusiasm, a desire to draw something. We fail to see them. We need to see beyond the box. We need to see beyond the box. That is called critical thinking. We need to ask why and why. When we ask the question of why, we enter into the realm of critical thinking. On this occasion, when the theme is given, education is source of life, I say even God is source of life, and education helps us to understand that source of life, the God. Education helps us to be a better person in life, and I am happy to hear, to know that our founder is present here, Samendra Dev Burma. He visioned, he saw, he thought, let me start with small children, those are simply roaming and running around in the village. At least 2 hours let them spend here in this campus, in this church campus. And many of you, dear parents, you send your children from your home, left them here, let them learn ABCD alphabet. And today, this school from pre-primary to class 3, it has grown. And many of the students passed out from there, from this school, gone to different schools. One man can make a difference. And that man is present here. I think he deserves a big round of applause. We can give him a big round of clapping for him. If he wasn't there, if he could not vision that, could not see it, we would not be celebrating this annual Parents' Day. We would not be sending our children They would have to struggle to go maybe the Kolkata or the ESI or many other schools that are far from here. One man make a difference. And I think because he learned, he has got that education to see beyond the box of critical thinking. Thank you, dear Sir Samendra, for visioning and opening this school. I appreciate all the teachers and the students, those who are performing on this stage, organizing this beautiful day on this annual day celebration. I wish God's blessings and support to you, all dear parents, and all the schools people, those who are involved to organize this and running the school. I wish all the best and God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.